Welcome students in today's business studies lecture. So our today's topic is dimension of business environment, and we are continuing with our third environment, that is political environment. In the previous lecture we have completed our two dimensions of business environment, that is economic environment and social environment. So our third topic is political environment. As you all know that business environment is all that forces revolving around your business which directly or indirectly put some impact or effect on your business, and that forces are beyond our control. So out of in that we have already discussed two dimensions or two forces, that is economic and social. Now our third one is political. It includes political conditions such as general stability and peace in the country, specific attitude that elected government representative hold towards business organization. It means that when the political parties have specific concern about one particular group of business organization, if they have positive aspect or positive attitude toward one particular business organization and negative attitude toward another business organization, then this will also act as a business environment. And also, if there is a change in the political parties, like currently if there is a BJP, and after some time if the Congress government will come, and Congress government will change the policies framed by the BJP government, then whatever the changes are made by Congress party which are earlier made by BJP political parties, so whatever the changes this current political party will do or the elected government will do, that changes will put some impact on the business organization, then that for this or that changes for the business organization is political environment. Again I am repeating, if there is a change in the political parties or if the change in the government by other political parties, then whatever the changes are brought by the coming political parties in the government, that changes will act as a political environment for the business organization, because the changes made by the policy will definitely affect the business organization. Suppose if one government have made GST for the 12%, and suppose if the another government will come and they will reduce or they will increase the GST rate by 20%, then definitely this increase of 8% will having some impact on the business organization. So this impact, this change in the policies or this change in the 8% of taxes, why this change has happened? Because the political parties have been changed or the government have been changed. So that these changes will be termed in the category of political environment. So in the 1991 there are so many changes came. Suppose in the 1991 when the LPG policy, you all are familiar about the LPG policy, this is an economics topic also, and in your business study this chapter also we will learn this LPG policy. Foreign company found it extremely difficult to cut through the bureaucratic red tape, because in 1991 government had told that there will be LPG policy, new economic reform, new economic policy, there will be liberalization, privatization and globalization, but then too our government is very stiff or very bureaucratic about the giving license, permission, reducing the restrictions, giving permission to the foreign companies. So they are at that time they are facing very hardship to enter into the Indian market. So this situation for them will be termed as political environment. Okay, so next is legal environment. Legal environment is very simple. What you have to understood is whenever the government is passing any law or any act, whether this act is passed by any special act, under any special act, or it is passed by Supreme Court, or this is passed in Parliament, any law passed by the government, then that law will be termed under the category of legal environment. There are so many examples. Factories Act 1948, FEMA, that is Foreign Exchange Management Act, FEMA 1947, Companies Act 2013, Indian Partnership Act, Cooperative Society Act. There are so many different types of acts. So whatever the changes or whatever the different acts are formed by the government, that acts will impose some restrictions or impose some rules and regulation upon the business organization. So this act which are imposing some restrictions on the business organization, that act will be known as legal environment. Legislation passed by the government, legislation means laws passed by the government, court judgment, decision rendered by various agencies and commission at the different level of government. Suppose one law have been passed by the government that cigarette is injurious to health, no person is supposed to sell the cigarettes in the market. So if the law will be made for this, then no businessman, all the businessmen who are actually selling the cigarettes or who are producing the cigarette, they will have to suffer a very hardship. So for them, this law made by the government or the judgment made by the government will act as a legal environment. And the last one is technological environment. Very simple. Technological environment means whenever any change or any upgradation have been made. I have given the example of 3G mobile phones and upgradation it to 4G mobile phones. So when earlier before Jio, mostly persons are using 3G mobile phone, and just after the Jio introduced, person has switched to 4G mobile phone. So these changes have brought which environment? Technological environment. Any innovation or scientific improvement, new methods or techniques of operating a business, this will create an situation for the business environment, whether that situation can be positive or it can be negative situation. So that situation will create a technological environment. So we have discussed. So students, we have completed our dimensions part of business environment. We have discussed here 5 dimensions: economic, social, political, legal and technological. That means business is revolved by all these factors, and these factors are beyond the control of the business. Only man can do is he can adapt or adjust with the forces. So all the 5 points are given here. Economic environment, when there is a change in the economy of the country, that will also put some impact on the business. It can be positive or it can be negative. If the banks have reduced or increased their rates, if the repo rate increase or decrease, if the interest rate, inflation rate, if there is a demonetization happened. So there are different situations happen in the economy that will increase or decrease the profit margin of the business. So for this situation will act as the economic environment. Social environment, when the society's taste and preference, customers' taste and preference, custom in the society, tradition in the society, value system in the society change, and due to this changes, if businessmen have to suffer, whether in the positive way or negative way, that will act as a social environment. Next is political environment. When there is a change in the political party, it will also bring some impact on the business environment. That will come under the category of political environment. Legal environment, whenever any laws have been made by the government, any act have been made by the government, and that act or that law will impose any particular obligation of the rules and regulation by the businessman, that will act as a legal environment. Technological environment, when there is a change in the technology in the scenario, in the market, by the competitor, and the customers are now switching to the new technology, that will act as a technological environment. So this is all about 5 dimensions. In the next lecture, we will discuss something new about this chapter. So stay tuned students, keep learning, stay safe. Thank you.